Yeah, hello?
Hi, where are you?
Yeah, I'm in Belgium.
We're in Stuttgart in the Central Park right now and we're having a super cool meetup with lots of amazing people, delicious vegan food, and you're missing!
Let me just quickly prepare some food and then I'm on my way.
Okay, see you soon!
Okay, bye! Alright, the rolls are ready and so am I. Put on a new shirt and I'm ready to go. But how can I travel 500 kilometers to Stuttgart in just a couple of seconds? Let me try a YouTube magic trick. I'm gonna grab the rolls and ready to go. And swoosh, I'm in Stuttgart. Finally! Finally some food. How's the vegan food?
Amazing!
Yeah, it's fantastic! I mean, look at all the people here and the food. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. I love it. Totally happy to be here. Epic.
Alright, so as you can see, these meetups are always so much fun. The people are lovely, the food is just amazing, and we're having so much fun here. You should definitely join in if you want to go the next time. And now it's time to move on and probably gonna grab a few drinks. Alright, so I just arrived in the hotel and let me give you a quick tour. It's a bed, nice bedroom. And there we have a nice bath. Oh, the shower is really nice. And the best thing is the view. You can see most of it. Let me show you. Look at that sky. Isn't it amazing? And there's the moon. Just beautiful. And that's it for today. So I really love those meetups, meeting new people, enjoying so much delicious food, having a lot of fun. And yeah, if you ever want to join one of the meetups here in Germany, just leave a comment or send me a DM. And it's always nice to meet new people. That's it for tonight. I'll be back tomorrow morning. Alright, welcome to day 2. So yesterday evening we just enjoyed a couple of drinks and then there was this amazing fire artist who put up a marvelous show to entertain everybody on the street. It was fantastic. Then went early to bed and now it's time for brunch at Laura's place. So let's go. Wirklich? Okay. Nice car. So I just left Laura's place. Thanks again for the waffles. And now I'm heading back to the train station. Gonna catch my train to Belgium. Alright, so I finally arrived back in Belgium. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Have a wonderful evening.